Today I'm going to show you how to make this poster design in Canva. Go to create a design, custom size, and make 1000 to make a square project. Go to uploads, and after uploading your image, drag it to the design. Increase the size to fit the page, edit image. Go to Due Tone. Let's choose Amber. Click in the image, edit image. Adjust and scroll down to clarity. Make the maximum. And make the maximum of the saturation. Go to text. Add new text. And type your text. Change the font to Costa Rica. And change the color to white. Increase the size. Decrease a little bit the letter spacing. Place in the middle and duplicate. Go to uploads again and click in the image, increase the size. Go to layers, show layers, make this image in the top, edit image, and remove the background. Go to elements and type gradient graphics, and let's choose this one. And you can change the color by going to edit image, duotone, sherry, and choose any color you want. For example, this one. Copy this code and paste it in the second one. Let's increase the size and duplicate to increase the intensity. Go to elements again and type grand frame graphics and choose any frame you want. It's better to choose a square frame. Let's use this one. Change the color to white color. And go to elements again and type plastic overlay graphics, and let's choose this one. Increase the size, and here's the final results. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe to the channel to learn more about Canva.